Woke up slow in Riga town. Sun is shining, curtains down. Hugo's laughing, shoes untied. Lazy thoughts just hitch a ride. Feel the beat, the easy sway. Lazy vibes, they lead the way. Hugo's choking, lights the air. Riga sunshine everywhere. Cobblestones beneath our feet. Market buzz and scent so sweet. Time moves soft like clouds above. In this city made for love. Hugo points to sights we missed. We rewrite maps with every twist. Travel light, let smiles be wide. Life's the trip and we're the guide. Feel the beat, the easy sway. Lazy vibes, they lead the way. Hugo's joking, lights the air. Riga sunshine everywhere. Cruising where the river bends, knowing joy that never ends. Golden rays and blue above. Every step's a gift of love. Hugo points to sights we missed. We rewrite maps with every twist. Travel light, let smiles be wide. Life's the trip and we're the guide. Cruising where the river bends, knowing joy that never ends. Golden rays and blue above. Every step's a gift of love. Feel the beat, the easy sway. Lazy vibes, they lead the way. Hugo's joking, lights the air. Riga sunshine everywhere. Easy sway, we're the guide. Cruising where the river bends, knowing joy that never ends. Golden rays and blue above. Every step's a gift of love. In Vegas parks, the world feels still. A lakeside breeze gives the heart a thrill. Footsteps echo on a gravel trail. Traveling free, we set our own sail. Hugo laughs, we chase the sun. Golden skies till the day is done. Beneath the branches we make our vow to live in the moment, here and now. With a suitcase full of dreams to make. Under starlight over glassy lake. Every journey feels brand new when the road is shared by me and you. City whispers filled with charm. Cobblestone streets, they're timeless on. The echoes guide us hand in hand. Explorers chasing this boundless land. Nothing planned, we trust the air. The open world banishes despair. Tuned to rhythm soft and sleek. Adventure spoken, we dare to seek. With a suitcase full of dreams to make. Under starlight over glassy lake. Every journey feels brand new when the road is shared by me and you. Me and you. With a suitcase full of dreams to make. Under starlight over glassy lake. my feet, whispers of the old town green. Lanterns flicker in the night, Riga glows in amber light. You go by my side, we roam, and every street feels like a poem. Golden domes and Baltic skies, lost in wonder, lost in height. Riga's heart, we sail so free. The city sings in harmony. Wanderlust fuels every stride. With you go near, the world's our guide. Morning markets in the square, stories linger in the air. Wooden houses drink the breeze, the chill of time flows through the trees. A dance of shadows near the stream. Hugo dreams, we chase the gleam. Beyond the town, the winds will call. Yeah, Riga holds the soul of all. Riga's heart, we sail so free. The city sings in harmony. Wanderlust fuels every stride. With you go near, the world's our guide. Riga's heart, we sail so free. The city sings in harmony. Wanderlust fuels every stride. With you go near, the world's our guide. Morning markets in the square, stories linger in the air. Wooden houses drink the breeze, the chill of time flows through the trees. Our dance of shadows